Hi there. Today I'm talking about how I prepare my hair before I dry it. So as a woman over 50, it's important for me to take special care to prepare my hair before I blow dry it so that I don't break it and that it looks healthy and smooth and bouncy. So here are the things I do. So the first thing, I guess, in preparing your hair is washing it with a good hair shampoo and a good conditioner. I wash with Kerastase. I also use their fondant conditioner, and I use that mask, which is just, they smell wonderful. And I like the extra shine that I get with those products. The second thing I do is I use like a microfiber towel to try and get some of the water out, but then pretty quickly brush it out with a boar bristle brush. Next, if I need to cover up my roots, I'll go ahead and get that done. I'll section each section of my hair and I'll spray that directly on the roots. I recently did a video on kind of a new technique I discovered using my root touch-up. So I have started doing that every time I wash my hair. So if you haven't seen that, just look in the description box below. Next, I'll use a hair detangler and thermal protection product. This is the product I've been using and I really do like it. But I have also used the Bumble and Bumble, which I'll put in the link in the box below, and I've also used the Kerastase products, which I love. So right now I am trying this one, which I really have enjoyed, and I think it smells very good. It leaves a really nice shine on the hair. After that, I go ahead and I brush it through. I will either let it air dry to about 90% dry, but if I don't have time, I'll go ahead and use a blow dryer on it. Whichever step you need to do, go ahead and use the It's a 10. So if you have to blow dry it right then because you're kind of pressed for time, put the It's a 10 on it and then blow dry it. If you're letting your hair air dry when it's about 80–90% dry, then use the It's a 10, brush that through, and then use the Revlon styler. I will use this tool to dry my hair. I will section it out, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the box below. But it's only maybe 10% wet at this point, so that really does help prevent breakage. But by sectioning it out and really slowly using that tool with the boar bristles to go through my hair, it adds a beautiful shine and smoothness. And so that's the step that truly makes a difference if you want to have a smooth, sleek hair, like at-home blowout. These are the steps that work for me, and it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You just lay out your products there, and that way you don't skip a step. Or even if you skip a step, it's really no big deal. So I hope this was helpful, and if you like this sort of content, please take a moment and give this video a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you next time.